When it comes to sauces, most people think it's just about the tomato or mayonnaise, but there's a whole world of flavor-enhancing sauces that can transform any dish. From rich, creamy classics to herb-packed zesty blends, sauces do more than just sit on the side of your plate. They complete the meal. In this video, we're breaking down the must-know sauces from around the globe and showing you when and how to use them to level up your cooking. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Sauces are more than just additions to your meals. They're the key to layering flavors, adding texture, and bringing a dish to life. Think of them as the finishing touch that ties every element together. The right sauce doesn't just complement the main ingredient, it elevates it. Understanding the different types of sauces and knowing when to use them can take your cooking to a whole new level, whether you're grilling, baking, or simply seasoning. Let's take a quick trip around the world and explore some essential sauces every home cook should know. First up, tomato-based sauces, such as marinara and pomodoro, are a cornerstone of Italian cuisine, with origins tracing back to Naples and southern Italy in the 18th century. Tomatoes, initially thought to be poisonous in Europe, became a beloved ingredient once their culinary potential was realized. Marinara is known for its bright, fresh flavor made quickly with tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and herbs, making it perfect for pasta and pizza. In contrast, pomodoro is a slower cooked sauce, often featuring onions and sometimes carrots, giving it a richer and slightly sweeter taste. These sauces form the base of countless Italian dishes, from spaghetti to meatballs, and have also been widely adapted around the world, especially in the United States. From the Mediterranean, we journey east to Asia with the equally essential soy sauce. With over 2,500 years of history, soy sauce originated in ancient China and has since become foundational in Japanese, Korean, and Southeast Asian cuisines. The Japanese shoyu, brewed with soybeans and wheat, offers a well-balanced umami depth, while ganjang, Korea's soy sauce, brings a bolder, more robust character, often featured in soups and marinades. The versatility of soy sauce extends to dark and light variations, playing pivotal roles in dishes like stir-fries, sushi, ramen, and dumpling dips. It also acts as the foundation for sauces like teriyaki and hoisin, reinforcing its indispensable role in East Asian cooking. Switching from salty and fermented flavors to fresh and herbal notes, we come to pesto, particularly pesto alla genovese, a raw sauce from Genoa, Italy. Traditionally prepared by crushing garlic, basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil using a mortar and pestle, pesto delivers a vibrant green flavor that's rich and slightly nutty. Variations like pesto rosso, which uses sun-dried tomatoes and almonds, add depth and a reddish hue. Whether tossed with pasta, spread on sandwiches, or spooned over grilled vegetables, pesto provides a burst of freshness and is a favorite in both traditional and modern Italian-inspired dishes. While pesto adds a herbaceous punch, barbecue sauce delivers bold, smoky complexity. Developed in the United States, barbecue sauces reflect the diverse regional palates of the South and Midwest. The thick, sweet Kansas City-style sauce, laden with molasses, is ideal for ribs and pulled pork, while Carolina-style sauces, which are vinegar or mustard-based, offer tangier, sharper notes that cut through fatty meats. In Texas, the style leans spicier and more tomato-forward, perfect for brisket and grilled sausages. Each regional variation tells a story of local ingredients and traditions, cementing barbecue sauce's role as an American culinary icon. In contrast to the smoky robustness of barbecue sauce, Hollandaise offers a silky, delicate touch. Though its name is French, the sauce likely has Dutch origins, later refined by French chefs into a staple of classic cuisine. Made from egg yolks emulsified with butter and brightened with lemon juice or vinegar, Hollandaise is one of the 5 French mother sauces. It's most famously paired with poached eggs and eggs Benedict, but also elevates simple steamed vegetables like asparagus or adds richness to fish such as salmon. Its smooth, tangy profile provides a luxurious contrast to more rustic sauces. We end with the bold and vibrant chimichurri, a raw herb sauce hailing from Argentina and Uruguay. Traditionally served alongside grilled meats in asado barbecue feasts, chimichurri is made with parsley, oregano, garlic, vinegar, chili flakes, and olive oil. Its grassy, acidic kick and subtle heat make it a lively counterpoint to charred meats. The green chimichurri is the most common version, but a red variant using paprika or red pepper is also popular. Beyond the grill, it doubles as a marinade or finishing sauce for vegetables, seafood, or crusty bread, embodying the vibrant, meat-loving culture of South America. So how do you know which sauce to use? Here are a few tips. Go for tomato-based sauces when you're making pasta or pizza. They bring a comforting, familiar taste. Soy sauce is ideal for stir-fries and marinades when you're craving deep umami flavor. If you want something fresh and vibrant, pesto is your summer hero. It brightens up pastas and sandwiches. Barbecue sauce adds a sweet, smoky layer to grilled or roasted meats, making it great for cookouts. Use Hollandaise when you want to impress. Its creamy richness makes eggs, asparagus, or fish feel gourmet. And for something bold and herby, chimichurri adds a bright contrast to fatty cuts of meat and is especially delicious on steak. Need something quick? You can whip up a garlic butter sauce by sautéing minced garlic in melted butter with a sprinkle of parsley and salt. Or try a creamy avocado dip with mashed avocado, yogurt, lime juice, and a dash of chili. When it comes to storing sauces, most homemade versions will last 3 to 7 days in the fridge. Use airtight containers and label them with the date. Want to adjust a sauce's flavor? If it's too salty, add a splash of vinegar or a touch of sugar. Too sweet? Balance it with lemon juice or soy sauce. Too tangy? Add cream or a pinch of baking soda. It's all about balance. Whether you're cooking a weeknight dinner or hosting a dinner party, mastering a few key sauces will transform your meals from good to great. Which sauce do you use most often? Is there one you can't live without? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. This is Kitchen to Entertain, where we turn everyday cooking into something special.